5 Benefits of Bankruptcy. The words benefits and bankruptcy don't seem to go well together. Yet the purpose of the Bankruptcy Act is to give to the honest but unfortunate debtor a new opportunity in life, and a clear field for the future. So let's see how that works out. Benefit 1: your creditors can't garnish your salary. When you file bankruptcy, your clear field for the future begins. Filing bankruptcy blocks any court process to collect from you. Creditors lose their right to sue you, or to take you to court, or to pursue you in any way, to recover debts. Benefit 2: creditors cannot call you or bill you. Under the revisions to the Bankruptcy Act in 1978, all forms of contact intended to put pressure on you, whether through the mail or by phone, were prohibited. The right to resolve your credit issues are now in the hands of your attorney, and the court-appointed trustee. This also means there are no further hits on your credit report. Benefit 3: your credit score will go up. This may sound crazy, but agencies of the US government have confirmed this in publicly available studies. If you are burdened with debt, your score is probably low and falling. When you file, most or all of your unsecured debt will be wiped out, and your financial picture will improve. The individuals who go bankrupt experience a sharp boost in their credit score after bankruptcy. So says the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. In fairness, this leap in credit scores is not accompanied by a return to high lending limits. Benefit 4: you will sleep better. Even though going through a bankruptcy can be very stressful, living with debt, harassment from creditors, the possibility of garnishment, and the anxiety about how you will pay your bills, is even more stressful. Bankruptcy lawyers report that their clients enjoy peace of mind after they make the decision to file bankruptcy. Benefit 5: you will be better able to deal with everyday issues. This evidence comes from a book, entitled Scarcity, written by 2 top university professors. Their research shows that feeling pressed for money clogs your thinking. Debt burdens can slow you down mentally, and leave you feeling as if you had missed a night's sleep. The authors say that people, juggling rent, loans, late bills and counting the days to the next paycheck, are much more likely to make mistakes, mistreat their children, and get into accidents. But the good news is that mental damage, caused by debt burdens, can repair itself quickly. When income and bills are in balance, cognitive capacity increases. Even though there are benefits arising from filing bankruptcy, it is not a picnic while you are going through it. But it's good to know there is a silver lining.